Ellen DeGeneres. Swag. Ellen DeGeneres. Welcome. Today we have Rivas Nation Challenge here. We got Tony Rivas, Leo, Richie, and my boy Julio. All right, we're gonna have a chicken cordon bleu challenge. We're gonna see who does it the best with the best presentation, time, and of course, taste. Okay, looks like we're starting now. In 3, 2, 1, go!
Alright, so we got, let's get the meat. Come on, so we got this. I'm gonna pass you the meat. You're gonna put it on the cheese. Okay, you ready? Alright, so no, that's our cheese. Alright, so you get the cheese. Alright, so you get the cheese. Fuck out of the way. You get the cheese. No, it's our cheese. Move. Alright, so then we're gonna roll it on your side. Roll it.
Can I unplug this from the laptop?
Alright.
Richie, you don't know about rolling on the foot? Shut up.
Don't talk to me. I'm special. Okay, perfect.
Hey, little mama, would you like to be my sunshine?
Blocking the camera.
What's the biggest thing you broke, Richie?
Alright. So let's grab it. Okay. But we have to go on this side. So we have our stove tops over here. So we're gonna make sure that we are melting the butter. Oh shit. Roll the flour and paprika. Roll the flour and paprika. Wait.
But we not doing it.
Wait. Hey, no, move.
No.
We need ours too.
No.
Hey.
No, y'all niggas went straight to the
Yeah, put it in the middle. Put it in the middle.
Survival. Hold on.
Open it up. Put the butter in there. Put the butter.
Oh. Yeah, going 8 like nigga. Move out the way, please don't be a hero. Bling, blow, ooh.
You know, Betty Crocker, Betty Paula Dean said. We should add more butter. We're gonna add more butter. We're gonna add more butter. We're gonna add more butter because Paula Dean says so.
Yeah, don't listen to nothing Richie says.
Alright, so we're gonna add a full butter, a stick, full butter, a stick, full butter, a stick. Julio over here is adding a butter stick. If you can see, go Julio, show you something how you doing the butter.
I'm spinning it around in circles.
Anyways, okay, so we're gonna do that.
Yeah, bitch, I smoke gas, I get hella high. Yeah, that shit put me in the sky like satellite. I told that nigga bitch, so he a sadder guy. I fuck that nigga bitch, so he a madder guy. She was with you when I called her phone and she answered, and that show you that you do not matter, guy. Yeah, my cousin Trap.
I'm gonna win because these guys can't even melt butter.
Oh, I heard a little.
I'm about to turn your stove off. You keep talking.
Don't help me. We're all sharing.
Hey.
What are you doing, sir?
Alright, so then now we're gonna put this this meat stick on here.
Me and Leo are the awesomest ones here.
Alright, so we're gonna put
This
this
is about
on here.
time. This is about quality. Exactly. Quality over.
Just wait, just let it. And then afterwards it says we're gonna let it cook for about maybe 10 minutes.
Boy, them niggas don't know what the hell they do.
We're just gonna let it cook for like maybe 5 hours.
And what are you gonna be doing with this wine right here?
Whoa! What?
What are you gonna do with the
This
wine?
wine, we're gonna add it to our whipping cream and our cornstarch.
Okay.
Because we want to make a nice reservoir to make sure that's the album. If y'all wanna go check out his album, his album is Reservoir. It's out it was out when it came out.
2 weeks ago.
2 weeks ago. So if y'all wanna hit up my boy NJ, what's your name on there though? NJ. So anyway. Alright, so we're gonna make this a little dry.
That goes in there, Tony.
They're always sick. They're always taking
They all go in there. No, that's a copy. Okay. You don't need that.
I got this, guys. We got this.
But I thought they had. Alright, so they don't know what they're doing.
We know what we're doing. We're freaking professionals, alright?
You gotta cook it in there too, don't you?
Maybe we try.
Hey, don't you know you screw that shit
Did you add brown sugar to yours?
Did you add brown sugar to yours?
Where'd you get brown sugar?
Where'd you get brown sugar
That was
from?
in the ingredients list.
Where'd you get brown sugar?
Disqualified.
Oh, chicken bouillon.
Disqualified.
Wrist mix of Doge. mix up the hooch. No, this not goose, this the hooch. Yeah, off the hooch. Yeah, feeling kinda loose off the hooch. Yeah, loose off the hooch. Mix, wrist up the hooch. Mix up the hooch.
What's that technique called, Leo?
It's called whisking. You normally use a fork.
I know how to whisk too.
Yeah, you look like you had that.
I'm about to wait. So, mess me up. It's a competition. Wait, is that recording us? Okay, that's too close. I'm too loud. Oh shit. Why are you going fast? How you do that?
You use a fork.
You went to chef's school.
jacks off
He went to
like every
chef's school.
day.
Did you go to chef's school?
You like beat it as hard as you can with the fork.
Beat that.
Hey, beat it, because you know more.
I used to beat my meat on a regular basis.
What? Everybody know I'm better. Ay, yeah, I'm better. Ay, it don't matter. Ay, pockets fatter. Ay, nowadays I'm
We had the wine there, white wine. Dry white wine.
Man, we had the wine.
Hey, don't be hating, bro.
Fucking no.
Richie hates. Everything we do, Richie do. Okay. Oh, bro, you missed. Oh my God. Richie.
Richie, that's safe.
Dude, that was pretty great.
You trying to get us burnt up? We're gonna burn her.
Dude, it's burning. Why is it burning?
Leo set off the fire alarm.
He did that. I didn't do that. He did that.
I think it was pretty great.
He looked like he got it.
I look like a pig in a
He
blanket.
looked like he looked like a pig in a blanket on steroids.
I flipped it.
I mean, this ain't KFC, Julio. You're not frying the chicken. Not frying the chicken.
Besides double months. Would you say double months too?
He said.
Born from dusk to dawn, I'm truly alive. The satellites and flame to illuminate this shaded place.
Bro, what you drop, bro? I was kidding. You started nutting and I was trying to catch it in my mouth, and it didn't work.
what?
Yeah.
What's the time?
What's the time?
Time's up.
Merry Christmas, you guys.
Gang. You won. Gang.
There's Master Ramsay and then there's Chop.
Yeah. Me and Chico are
I'm gonna go with a 9.
I'm
I'm gonna go
a solid.
with a solid 8.5.
like,
right now.
I like the decoration on the plate we're going here with borrachos.
Llegó borracho el borracho.
Saying he's maybe a little bit more garlic and maybe some onion.
Garlic.
Wasn't part of the recipe. Very bland. I'm sorry. Thank you, David.
It's not great, but it's not horrible. I can't really taste anything in it.
Hey, Dad.
It just tastes very bland.
Next one. Try Julio and Richie's Nicki Minaj team. Team Nicki Minaj right here. He's known for the Chinese food business. She does a lot of Asian testing. Bunch of noodles and lo mein right here, but today she's
Throw it out. You're gonna throw it out.
You heard it from us first, bro. What it is?
Rivas, Chico Rivas, what do you say?
8 out of 10. I'll give it damn good. Goddamn.
It's
Say, David.
I'm a little scared right now. Julio's never cooked before.
Oh shit.
That's not not bad. But it's too strong. The bite that I took was too strong.
What do you say, David?
Shit.
How could you let Julio out cook? Tony a 5.
Hello, man.
He used to be a chef.
Yeah.
I'm
Just
doing
as
quite
Julio-
well.
Julio
You
made that
know,
one
the
I
dishes
couldn't-
aren't as great as I thought they would be. Probably like a 4.5 out of 10.
Well, there you have it, guys.
They won?
Shit.
Y'all get-
They won! We won!
All
right, let's do this thing.
Yeah. Julio and Richie get a 8.5.
I did notice it was really crispy, like, you know, fresh chimichanga from Bill, you know, it's nice and crispy. This one's looking pretty soggy, looking like Tonio's been back there trying to fuck around.
They copied us the whole way, if you know.
whole way.
They got in our heads, they were messing us up.
Yeah, they're messing us up.
And they spilled their milk on the floor and made a mess. Nobody took that into account.
True.
It's bullshit.
Minus 5 points on
We
that.
lost, but
We're gonna come back harder for the next round, okay?
Yeah,
So
next
don't
time.
worry about it.
Anyway, it's cordon bleu. It's not fried chicken. That's fried chicken.
Next round is in 2 weeks. We'll have a different meal.
We're
gonna have to wash dishes. The losers wash dishes.
have fun watching this, Rich.
Well, guys, have a nice one now. Come check us out.